I will tell you about the production order for now. After created the BOM in the last video, you can create production order for BOM. If you are going to make a production order, you must first click Add button. Select production order as type, and then choose Production Manager and Warehouse. I'll select the BOM materials that I create earlier. If you choose it, it will appear as raw ABC in the list below that I was built earlier. And you have to select material order. And if you want to edit this material description, you can edit it. For example, if this is released as version 4, you can write it as V4. If you have done all this, you can click the Save button above and save it. After that, click on the number that appears and release from the action. Then production order will be completed.